Students, so based on whatever we have studied so far, we know that fuel releases energy. And how do they release energy? By the process of combustion. Now again, we also saw that using different fuels involve different advantages and disadvantages. Okay, so we have also learned about the characteristics of good fuel and which fuel should be preferred over other fuels. Okay. Now, when we spoke about fossil fuel, the most common used fuel, that is petroleum, natural gas, it is also important to know that these fuels can be harmful too. So it is not only the advantages which are associated with them, but they can be dangerous as well. Okay. So let us look at the disadvantages of fossil fuels. Now, some of the disadvantages are: it causes severe air pollution, because when you think of fossil fuel, we know that three common fossil fuel are coal, petroleum and natural gas. And when you burn any of these, it produces a lot of poisonous gases and smoke, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide released, and all these create a pollution, okay, and air pollution. And it has serious health effect on every organism. Okay, so air pollution is one of the big disadvantage of using fossil fuel. The second is it can cause acid rain. Now these kinds of oxide which release on combustion, like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide. So all these oxide are acidic in nature. So if you remember the lesson metal and non-metal, the oxides of non-metal, they are the oxide of non-metal. They are acidic in nature. So these acidic oxides, where do they go? They release in the atmosphere, they mix with the water droplets, and the rain becomes acid rain. Okay. And this acid rain again has a lot of harmful effect on monuments. Because of that, it becomes blackening of the marble, like a Taj Mahal. It also causes a serious health issues in living organism. They affect the growth and productivity of plants. So acid rain is also something very bad thing. Okay, it is a disadvantage. Okay. Now, greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect. Acid rain also causes greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is the phenomenon in which greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane, these gases, what do? They tend to absorb more and more infrared rays, and as a result they increases the temperature of the earth. So greenhouse effect is actually result in the global warming. Okay. Now, how fossil fuel contribute to the greenhouse effect? Because burning fossil fuel release these gases, and it increases the gases, and these gases again absorb the rays of the sun. So overall, you see, the using the fossil fuel gives us a lot of energy, and we can use for domestication and industrialization purpose, but there are some severe effect or disadvantages associated with the using of these kinds of fossil fuel also. Okay. And if we are getting such kind of disadvantages, if we are getting benefit by harming our environment, then there is no point, because if our environment get polluted, we gonna suffer. Okay, so we should always use fossil fuel very judicially. We should use them only to that extent which is extremely necessary. So coal and petroleum should be used judiciously, and so that we can use them. They are left for our future generation also, and also because if we can use them in excess, it causes an environmental effect also. Okay, and their advantages fade away in front of disadvantages. So some of the ways by we can use the energy judicially First is prefer stairs over lift. Stairs over lift. Okay, so that we can just conserve the electric energy. Okay, we because at that time we just wasting electricity. Prefer tube light over bulb. Okay, prefer cycling over bus. Prefer bus over car. Okay, use private transportation. Okay, so some simple things which you can do in your day-to-day life to save energy, which in turn reduces the use of fossil fuel, and which in turn will keep out our environment clean and safe for us. So with this we have reached toward the end of this lesson. Thank you class, and now in my second part I will introduce to our next chapter. Okay, thank you.